Good morning, everybody. It's 6:15 on a Tuesday morning as we look out over Holland. You'll find in some areas there's some wet pavement out there. It's kind of a dull gray, gloomy start to this Tuesday morning, and we've had some light rain showers, almost some drizzle kind of still hanging around out there. But Holland is a perfect example of that. Semi-wet pavement out there. It's not going to rain all day, but as we start to try to heat things up a little bit later on this afternoon, we'll have the chance of a few scattered showers, maybe a rumble of thunder this afternoon, and then again tomorrow. A lot of areas may not see anything, but the chance is going to be there. We're in that kind of an environment. And then more storms coming in Thursday evening, Thursday night, and I've got severe with a question mark. Some of those could be on the strong to possibly severe side. Hail and wind at that time would be the primary threat, and then it will be cooler for the weekend, probably only in the 60s. So not really much on radar, but as I just stepped outside a few minutes ago, there's a couple of drops here and there, almost like some drizzle. And again, it is mainly cloudy. There's some fog out there, kind of a gloomy start to the day. I would expect to see a lot of cloud cover today, but we may break out into some breaks of sunshine from time to time as well. It feels very mild out there. It feels very tropical. It's actually a little sticky, a little muggy. Temperatures are in the low to mid 60s out there. And as we look at satellite and radar 6 hours ago, we had some light showers pivoting on back from the southeast to the north and west. All of this is going to miss us, this precipitation, but there's more that could form here. And with the heating of the day, as a low pressure system is down here, everything's kind of pivoting back around that low. So this batch won't get us, but there may be other pop-up showers and storms this afternoon and evening that do. So as you look at what's going on here with our future track map, you can see there may be a few of these popcorn or these pop-up showers and storms. Again, not everybody will see that, but the chance will be there. Otherwise, we've got just partly sunny to mostly cloudy skies today, and temperatures up about 75 to 77 degrees. We might see a few showers or thunderstorms this evening. Otherwise, overnight, I think we're just mainly dry. And then as we go into our Wednesday, same type thing with the heating of the day. Couple of these showers and some thunderstorms may crop up during the afternoon hours. Otherwise, that low will eventually lift out of here. Thursday looks mostly sunny to partly cloudy, but here comes our next weather maker. It's a low pressure system along with a cold front that's going to move our way. Not so much during the day on Thursday, but Thursday evening, Thursday night, that'll be moving in here. And here's what it looks like for that time frame. See, we're all in the yellow. That's a level 2, a threat level 2 out of 5, a slight risk of some strong to severe thunderstorms for Thursday evening and Thursday night as that system moves in here. And hail and wind would be the primary threats there. Our precipitation chances will ramp up a little bit. They're yellow for today and tomorrow because of just some general thunderstorms out there. And then that box is red for Thursday evening and Thursday night because of the chances of some stronger to severe thunderstorms. And then those precip chances will drop off for this upcoming weekend with cooler air in place. So pretty mild temperatures, pretty warm, 77 today, 78 tomorrow. You'll feel that humidity out there. It's not going to be oppressive, but it'll feel a little sticky out there. 85 for the high on Thursday. A lot of Thursday will be dry, but the PM and nighttime hours may be plagued with some shower and thunderstorm chances with that frontal system that comes through. Still warm on Friday, 79 degrees, but the dew point temperatures will drop off. So a drier air mass. Then we're in the 60s for this upcoming weekend. It's 6:19.